had a 30-year-old roof that was leaking and disintegrating and needed replacing. And so we knew we'd been putting it off, and then it became really apparent it was time.
There was a gasket around one of the vents going through the roof that had deteriorated in the sun, and it was a minor leak, but you don't want any leak, right? And so I kind of patched it, but I wasn't able to get onto the roof to do it properly. Like Laurel said, the roof was deteriorating. It was starting to show fiberglass, as the little granules all
Parts.
yeah, everything
Loose parts.
everything just kind of dissolved in the sunlight. So it was time. It was a 30-year-old roof. The buyer's bid was the highest, but it was the one that gave me the most confidence. I was quite surprised with one of the others that I expected a good number. I got a good number, but I did not feel good about the quality of the people I was talking to. There was obvious things that were discussed one day and then denied a week later. I'm like, no, I'm not hiring you.
Well, I think that the main thing for me too was that when Tom Campbell came to our house to present the proposal, he did a presentation and explained in great detail why Byers was better, and had samples of the material, just very exhaustive explanation. When you're spending that kind of money on something, it really gave me a vote of confidence for Byers, because I knew that they had done their homework, as opposed to the other companies would just email a quote. This is it. No, really not a lot of detail. Maybe it was just like one
minimal
page.
detail.
Yeah. And that was kind of like, it was less money, but still a lot of money just to sign off and we knew we weren't going to do it again.
Yeah. Yeah. And I wouldn't be surprised that the other companies we talked to would have done just a fine job.
Right.
But overall, we want to be confident in it. We want to really know that we got an excellent product, and the Byers people, from Tom Campbell to Tom Paoni to Mitch, everybody, they know their stuff. They follow through on what they said they were going to do. We were very fortunate to just, the scheduling of getting the roof job, it had been put off because of the weather. And finally, you guys got a break in the weather at the same time that we were on vacation. So we didn't have to be here for the removal of the original roof. Actually, we weren't here for hardly any of the job. It was basically done by the time we got back.
They were very responsive to any issue that we had.
Oh, yeah.
That was the thing I appreciated.
Tom and Mitch were great.
I like the extra touch of them doing our well.
Yeah, that was a nice.
That was nice. We didn't even talk about that before.
We have a little wishing well sort of thing that has a matching roof to the house.
It looks really.
Yeah,
that's the first roof you see.
That was smart. Yeah, we like the roof, and and we've had a lot of rain since then. And admittedly, I haven't gone up into my attic to check that former leak,
sure
but
I
have no doubt that's all behind us. And I would have no reservations about recommending Byers. It's a good quality operation.
Good people.
From top to bottom, and the product was great.
And it looks really good.
Really, really happy with the job once it was completed.
It looks beautiful, and we're very happy with it.